How can you make $500 a month from your dividend investments? I'm going to show you how. Remember, investing in dividend companies is not fast and it's not cheap. That's why you got to start early, stay consistent, reinvest dividends, all that stuff. In my previous video, I talked about how I have two expenses that almost are $1,000 per month total, my condo fees and my healthcare because I'm self-employed. So in that scenario, the goal was I'm going to make $1,000 a month from my dividend stocks, and that will cover my two big expenses. I don't personally do that, by the way. I reinvest my dividends back into the stock so I can have more money in retirement. I'm sure by the time I retire, my healthcare will be even more expensive because we don't have universal healthcare in America, and I'm sure my condo fees will be higher at that point as well. Anyway, I will get off my soapbox. Let's look at how you can make $500 a month from dividend stocks. And before we get started, please remember this is a mock portfolio, so don't rush out and buy this. This is just an example for educational purposes only. The goal here is to make $500 per month, and we're in 4 different investments. The Schwab Dividend Fund, Ford Motor Company, which is an individual stock, but it pays a good dividend, Realty Income, the Real Estate Investment Trust, and QYLD. This one is a covered call ETF, and the dividend will change monthly, so just keep that in mind. You're also not going to get a lot of growth out of this fund. That's not the fund's objective. The goal is to make $1,500 from each one of these 4, which turns out to be around $6,000 a year divided by 12 is $500 per month. And a fund like this is going to cost you $116,000. Investing ain't cheap. You got to start early. And don't forget to smash that follow.